Good morning students. I am Veena Sharma, your SST teacher. Dear students, we start Geography lesson 3, Mineral and Power Resources. In first part, we read about the definition of mineral and its type. Mineral are three types. One is metallic mineral, second is non-metallic mineral, and third is power resources. So we start new topic today, that is extraction of mineral. एक्सट्रैक्शन मीन धरती में से मिनरल को कैसे निकालना है. एक्सट्रैक्शन ऑफ मिनरल्स आर थ्री टाइप. वन इज माइनिंग, सेकंड इज ड्रिलिंग एंड थर्ड इज क्वेरिंग. माइनिंग मीन टेकिंग आउट mineral from the earth under the earth surface. We get mineral from the rocks, and rocks are lie under the earth surface. When we dig the earth, in this way we can dig out the mineral. Minings are two type. One is open cast mining and second is sharp cast mining. Mineral that lie at shallow depth under the earth and it is found great depth. This is called open cast mining. Shaft cast mining means deep bore, called shaft mining, found great depth. In shaft cast mining, we dug the earth into a bore and up to the great depth we get the mineral. So this is called shaft mining. We read minings are two types. Mining means removing earth from the mineral, and it is two type. One is open cast and second is shaft cast. In shaft cast we dig the earth into a bore and that's why we get the mineral. Second type of extraction of mineral is drilling. Drilling means drill the earth. Petroleum and natural gas occur below the earth surface. Deep well are bored and this is called drilling. By drilling we get petroleum and natural gas. Third kind of extraction of mineral is quarrying. Quarrying lie near the surface of the earth. Simply dry out. Simply we dug the earth and we can get the mineral. Mean in quarrying we get mineral from the near the earth. So extraction of minerals are three type. One is mining, second is drilling and third is quarrying. Now next topic is distribution of mineral in the world continent. How many continents in our world? We have 7 continents in the world. One is Asia, Europe, North America, South America, Africa, Australia and Antarctica. And which type of minerals are found in these continents? So firstly we discuss about the Asia. Iron ore found in Asia. More than half of the world tin are also produced in Asia continent. Manganese, bauxite, nickel, zinc, copper, these are the other minerals which also found in Asia continent. Next continent is Europe. Europe is a leading producing of iron ore. Other minerals such as manganese, bauxite, nickel, copper, zinc are also found in the Europe continent. Third continent is North America. Iron, copper, gold, uranium and zinc, silver are also found in North America. Fourth continent is South America. Brazil. South America, Brazil lie, and Brazil is the largest producer of iron ore. Chile, Peru. These two countries are leading producer of copper. Other minerals are also found in this continent such as iron, copper, gold, uranium, zinc and silver. Fifth continent is Africa. Africa is the largest producer of diamond, gold, platinum, etc. Other minerals such as iron, copper, manganese, gold. These are also found in Africa continent. Australia. Australia is the largest producer of bauxite, and Australia is also leading producer of gold and diamond. Seventh continent is Antarctica. In Antarctica continent, variety of minerals are found. Mean all type of minerals are found in this continent. So students, we discuss in this topic about the 7 continent and different type of minerals are found in it. Our next topic is distribution of mineral in India. Iron, Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Madhya Pradesh. These are the mainly iron producing state in India. Mica, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jharkhand, Chhattisgarh are also producing mica. India is the largest producer of mica. Next mineral is copper. Madhya Pradesh, Jharkhand, Karnataka, Rajasthan are the leading producing state of copper. Manganese, Maharashtra, Madhya Pradesh, Chhattisgarh, Bihar, Jharkhand are also leading producing of manganese. Next mineral is limestone. Limestone also produced in Jharkhand, Odisha, Chhattisgarh, Maharashtra. Gold. Gold lie in mine and mostly gold found in Karnataka. Kolar mine lie in Karnataka, that is famous for the production of gold. Next, an important mineral is salt. From where we get salt? We get from the salt, from the sea. India is the largest producer of salt and exporter of salt. So students, in this topic we read about the 3 parts of the lesson. First is extraction of mineral. These are 3 types: mining, drilling and quarrying. Then we read about the distribution of mineral in the world continent. 7 continents and different type of mineral lie in these continents. Then we read about the distribution of mineral in India. Students, this is also your map question. Read, understand which type of minerals are found in which state, because map work is important in this lesson. Thanks.